All right, breaking news tonight. The family of Andrew Brown Jr. just viewed some of the body camera video of his death. Pasquotank County deputies shot and killed him while serving a warrant. That was nearly 3 weeks ago. CBS 17's Maggie Newland is staying on top of this for us. All of those developments in Elizabeth City. Maggie.
Rod, we just heard from Andrew Brown's sons and lawyers for the family. After watching the video, they call the shooting unconstitutional and unjustified. Now, what they described directly contradicts what we heard from the district attorney in court. A lawyer for the Brown family says after watching 6 video clips, 1 from a dash cam and 5 from body cameras, at no time did he see Andrew Brown drive toward law enforcement officers or make contact with them, though he said it does appear that they may have reached out to make contact with him. Now, the lawyer said that Brown drove in the opposite direction of law enforcement. Here's what one of his sons had to say after seeing the video.
My father did not deserve to die at all. He did not deserve to get killed. In any way, shape, or form, he did not pose any threat at all. Come court, there's no way that this could be justified. There's no way possible.
Last month, the district attorney said Brown did drive toward deputies and make contact with them in the videos he saw. We know there are about 2 hours of video total. The Brown family was able to see less than 20 minutes of that. We will not be able to see that video for ourselves, at least not right now. A judge ruled it will not be released to the media at this time. 3 Pasquotank Sheriff's deputies remain on leave. The sheriff says they are the ones who fired their guns that day. Maggie Newland, CBS 17 News.
All right, Maggie, thank you. And Brown Jr.'s case is prompting a new push to change the state's law dealing with who gets to see body cam footage and when. It would allow family members or a family representative to see body camera or dash cam video within 5 days. They would have to sign a confidentiality agreement and could be charged for violating it. Law enforcement could get a judge to block access or allow video to be redacted if there's compelling reasons, such as someone's safety.
In a very limited way, it does respond to the needs of the family, but it certainly doesn't go far enough in terms of changing access.
Governor Cooper has called for these videos to be considered public records, not just in the case of families getting access to them. The Senate is expected to vote later this week.